Start your day inspired. Sometimes, all you need is one quote to shift your entire day. Let's dive into 5 powerful morning quotes and how to use them to kickstart productivity, positivity, and success. Quote number 1. Win the morning. Win the day. This quote reminds us that mornings set the tone. Start your day with intention. Stretch, hydrate, and tackle one meaningful task. Quote number 2. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Small actions matter. Want big goals? Break them into small steps. Success starts with what you do consistently every morning. Quote #3. Be the energy you want to attract. Your energy sets the vibe. Smile, think positive, and approach your morning with gratitude to attract more good energy. Quote number 4. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Struggling to start? Don't overthink. Move forward with one action, no matter how small. Momentum fuels success. Quotes aren't just words, they're mini reminders to live intentionally. Which quote will you use to inspire your morning? Let me know. Like this video? Hit subscribe and share your favorite morning quote below.